Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to reverse money on Capitec app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Capitec app and sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard of the app. On the dashboard, locate the Transact option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to proceed. From the Transact menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Debit Orders. Tap on this to view all your recent debit order transactions. Here you need to identify the specific transaction you wish to reverse. Once you've located the correct transaction selected by tapping on it, after selecting the transaction, look for the option that says Reverse or Refund. Tap on this option and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reversal process. This usually involves confirming your action and possibly providing a reason for the reversal. Keep in mind that time is of the essence in this process. The sooner you initiate the reversal after the transaction, the higher the likelihood of successfully reversing the funds. Delaying this action might reduce the chances of getting your money back. So that's basically how you can reverse money on Capitec app. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.